Many entrepreneurs have a love-hate relationship with marketing. They know the importance of a great marketing message. You can't reach a hungry buying audience until you first grab their attention and share a message that resonates with their hearts. Marketing can feel overwhelming and confusing because there's so many options available to us today. And selling is uncomfortable, especially in the way that most people have been taught it in the past. I'm Terry Dean from terrydean.com, and in this video, I'm going to share a quick message that I hope brings more freedom to your life and your business. Marketing is simply sharing an honest message with clarity. It aligns with your mission to help people who need you. It doesn't need to feel sleazy, salesy, or manipulative. My definition of marketing is fall in love with your clients, craft a story that appeals to them in their language, and create profitable conversations that last a lifetime. Don't fall in love with your product or your service. That's a problem that sidetracks way too many entrepreneurs. They waste all this time talking about their product and why there's nothing else like it. Nobody cares about your product or your service. They care about their problems, their fears, their dreams, and their desires. You need to communicate with them in their language. And that means first, you have to find out what's important to them. What is their heart breaking over? What do they worry about in the middle of the night? What are their deepest desires and their dreams? What do they think about other companies like yours? What are they angry about, or who do they hate? That last one is an important one. One of the strongest emotions you can tap into is coming alongside them to help them against a villain that's holding them down. So how do you find out the answers to these questions? You speak to them. If you already have customers and clients, give them a call. What was their life like before they got your product or your service? How did they find you? Was there anything that could have held them back from purchasing from you? What was their experience with your product or your service? What's their life like today? Get them to tell you their story. Stories contain the emotions that drive our actions. What you're really looking for is how the problem and the solution made them feel about themselves. The importance of identity can't be overstated, but I'll save that for another time. What if you don't have any customers or clients to talk to yet? You can also uncover secrets online without directly speaking to anyone. And for an introvert like me, that's pretty important. You can go to places like Facebook groups and discussion boards and see what people are freely sharing online. It's amazing how people just spit out whatever they're thinking on social media. There have been times I've used the titles of posts I've seen as starting points for emails and other types of content. It's amazing what you can find out about the problems people are already suffering with just by keeping your eyes open. You can also look at testimonials. This includes both your own and even your competitors. How did these products solve their problems? You can gain similar insights from Amazon reviews as well. You can even reverse engineer successful competitors. Go to their websites, figure out what problems they're helping people solve, and what promises they're making to them. Looking at 3 or 4 winning competitors can help you figure out why people are buying from them. Most social media sites also allow you to look at insights inside your own account. What posts are people responding to? What's most interesting to them? This gives clues to what people want. You can run surveys on social media or to your email list. Once you've done your research, think about the problem and its impact on their life. If you can define the problem and the root cause of it better than your customer can, then you can also position yourself as the one to help them solve it. Discovering and articulating the desperate problem is step 1 in my 5-step method to creating marketing messages that connect and convert. If you'd like a free cheat sheet that shares the 5 steps with you, along with 3 free training videos that walk you through creating your sales message, click the link below now to go to terrydean.com and enter your best email address to download your cheat sheet and watch the first free video training. Soon you too can have a clear message that consistently attracts high-quality customers and clients.